introducing the extraordinary literature collection of Mushila Victor Isaacs, a storyteller whose work spans the realms of poetry, adventure, business insights, and historical reflections. Each of Isaacs' books is a captivating journey that brings African heritage, cultural depth, and purposeful storytelling to readers from all walks of life. Here is a glimpse into the unique experiences these titles offer. 1. Whispers of Nature, 100 Poems on Climate and Environment. A breaking, poetic tribute to the natural world. Whispers of Nature calls readers to preserve the environment's delicate beauty with verses that speaks to the heart of nature lovers, environmentalists, and students. This collection encourages a connection with the earth and a shared responsibility for its future. 2. Seen and Unseen. In Seen and Unseen, Isaacs guides readers on an unforgettable adventure that weaves together spiritual discovery and societal growth. Rich in African storytelling traditions, this novel is perfect for fans of African literature, spirituality, and those who seek profound insights on the forces shaping our world. 3. Savvy Savanna Animals in Business. Unlock the hidden wisdom of the wild with Savvy Savanna, where Isaacs masterfully translates animal behaviors into lessons for thriving in business. This book appeals to executives, entrepreneurs, and professionals looking to enrich their strategic thinking with insights drawn from nature's most fascinating creatures. 4. The Silent Heroes Beneath the Acacia Tree. The Silent Heroes captures Kenya's journey to independence through the eyes of unsung heroes who fought against the great odds. This powerful historical novel resonates with historians, students, and social justice advocates, inviting readers to witness the resilience of those who dared to change the history. Mushila Victor Isaacs' books are more than stories. They are gateways into African heritage, business strategy, and environmental consciousness. For readers seeking meaningful purpose and a deep cultural connection, Isaacs offers narratives that resonate with authenticity and timeless values. Embrace the world he creates, where every page calls us to live with intention, wisdom, and respect for our shared history and future.